Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Uh-oh, a little peeky. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have Prime Day fast approaching, guys. So you might want to take advantage right now and check these guys out. And link will be down below. Here we go. This is coming from Autophix, full system auto scanner. A scanner for BMW's vehicles. BMW vehicles. It supports all that. I don't have Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. But this is what it looks like. Got the USB. You got the tester. You just plug it in and turn it on. I think you gotta plug it into the car. Shoot. Well, this is what it looks like. It was pop-up digital display. Really nice. But not sure if you can use it in any car, but it read fault codes, clear fault codes, read data stream, CBS reset, clear adaptions, battery management, electronic parking brake, steer angle sensor, DPF. It yeah, pretty much covered those. Of course, you get the manual right here. And it tells all the good stuff in it. Shows what the buttons do. It has a backlit coverage. BMW Series 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, X and S Mini, and works on all systems. Transmissions. So there you go. There we go. Those are the icons that will show up. So there you have it. Check them out. Autophix. Fix your Beamer. And get these now. This would be a nice little Father's Day gift to give someone. So definitely check them out. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.
So for this system, the Autophix 7910, it does BMW mainly. Anything from for 1996, I believe. Let's go check it out. Let me see. Yep, let's choose the system 5 series. Yep, it's gonna be actually for the 1981 for E28, and for my system is the E60, which is from 2003 and 2010. If you update this, you'll get more up to date for the BMWs, but for this model, this is a great tool. Let's go ahead and scan the system, and this is how I got rid of my my airbag light, along with the error that's showing up on my system, which is the seatbelt restraining system. Let's do this. You're gonna click the system scan. Scanning all system. So this is pretty much after I got rid of the airbag light. It was showing airbag light along with a few lighting error which I had because I have done change my headlight from a regular bulb to an LED. Because of that, the error rate for the light was showing up. So I was able to click on that and able to reset that. So I'll kind of show you. Right now it's not going to show any error because I already got rid of the light by erasing with this tool. This is a very great tool. I'll show you what I did to pretty much get rid of the error for my my airbag, as well as this also does resetting your oil your brake lights, and the engine lights for your BMW, along with Mini Cooper, and I believe Rolls-Royce also. So this is gonna hit here, the airbag, crash safety, and pretty much read default code. There's no code right now, but it did have a code, which I did just click erase, and it erased all the codes. So as you can see now, everything is okay, nothing showing up, nothing shows up on my get dashboard or the cluster. Everything is clear, no error. So pretty much I saved the trip going to a dealership and paying God knows how much I'll pay to just to scan it and figure out what's wrong with it and how to fix it. But with this tool, bought it with probably $140 on sale. Got this off of Amazon. You could get it even on eBay, probably a couple dollars cheaper. And this is for pretty much if you have a BMW, guys. This is a great tool. Just letting you know, it works great. Everything is okay in the system right now. At all BMW systems. 20. Also does the Mini Cooper Diagnostic as well as for the Rolls-Royce. So this is just for pretty much 3 vehicles only. But if you do own a BMW or a Mini Cooper, go ahead and get this tool for any of the older model vehicle. This is a great tool, and I believe if you update this, you also could be able to do brand new model until 2018.